This clip shows the unboxing of the MCU. This is the extinguishing system monitoring and control unit. This is the standard packaging for this MCU. Lifting the top reveals the various swivels used for installation. The foil underneath protects the PCB, the printed circuit board. MCU printed circuit board. This is the printed circuit board, or PCB, of the MCU. It contains several ports to which the extinguishing line can be connected. The incoming line is connected to the input port and the outgoing line is connected to the output port. The fireblockers are connected to this side. This clip shows how to connect an MCU. There are several MCUs on one extinguishing line, meaning that you're going to connect an incoming and an outgoing line. The incoming line must be attached to the input port, marked with both positive and negative. The outgoing line must be attached to the output port, also marked with positive and negative. This clip shows how to connect one fireblocker to the MCU. The extinguishing ports are located at this side of the PCB. As you can tell from the markings A+, A-, B+, and B-, it was designed for two fireblockers. In case of just one fireblocker, use only A+ and B-.
De aansluiting van één enkele blusunit ziet er dus zo uit.
This clip will show how to connect two fireblockers to the MCU. The extinguishing ports must be located, on this side, of the PCB. The first fireblocker will be connected to the A+ and A-, and the second fireblocker to the B+ and B-. Now two fireblockers are connected to the MCU.
Aankomen bij de laatste MCU in de lijn, moet een weerstand of een diode geplaatst worden.
A resistor or diode must be put in the last MCU.
En op de uitgaande lijn wordt de weerstand of de diode geplaatst.
Which of the two you need depends on the type of panel. The incoming line needs to be attached to the input port, and the resistor or diode needs to be attached to the output port.